All right, we got it all finished up, buttoned up, and running. So we'll give it back to the customer here probably tomorrow. I'm gonna let it sit overnight after I let it get good and hot. Double check all the fluids, coolant, trans, oil, all that good stuff, but should be good to go. Then the plan is to address the customer's ABS issue, which they knew about beforehand, and I'm going to talk to them about the air conditioner because it didn't have any Freon in it. So we'll probably address that soon on this thing too. But now that it runs and drives, they can at least put some miles on it and get it ready for a state inspection so they can get the registration to make this thing illegal. Alright, it's running nice and quiet, minus that little bit of a belt squeak. No leaks, no drips. We get the customer to drive it, put some miles on it, and we'll double check everything before too long. It's looking good so far.